The Fabrica is important particularly because it's the first printed book in the history of science that included very high quality of illustrations based on first-hand observation. It is particularly important in anatomy because it is, again, the first printed book that tried to study comprehensively the normal anatomy of the human body. What is remarkable about the Fabrica is that it successfully weaves in text and image together. So you get a very complex interplay of Vesalius's description in text and then an interaction with the beautiful illustrations in the book. The Fabrica is one of the major landmark publications in the history of science. It had beautiful high-quality illustrations. It also had very fine Latin type and Greek typeface. And basically, it became the standard by which all anatomists had to judge their own publication. And many anatomists in later generations hardly ever succeeded in surpassing. I think the Fabrica is in many ways a typical product of the Renaissance because Vesalius's idea of establishing anatomy using first-hand dissection was an idea inspired by Galen, the 2nd century Roman physician. Vesalius knew really well all the publications of Galen that had been issued by the time he was writing the Fabrica. And when you look at his book, it's written in beautiful classical Latin with quite a few Greek quotations. And it's really typical of his time in terms of the proficiency he shows with classical literature. So in that sense, it is certainly a Renaissance product.